Which is the coldest region on the earth? Antarctic, East Antarctic Plateau. Which place in the world recorded an extreme cold of minus 89.2 degrees Celsius? That is Vostok, Russia. Which place in the world recorded the hottest day of 58 degrees Celsius? Al Azizia, Libya. Which place in the world had the most contrast season with minus 50.3 degrees Celsius in winter and 13.6 degrees Celsius in summer? That is, I don't know how to pronounce it, but we'll try. Verkhoyansk, Russia. Which place had an average sunshine of 4100 hours annually, that is 47% of a year in the world? That is Yuma, Arizona, USA. Which is the largest meteorite ever found on the earth at the estimated weight of 66 tons? Hoba West in Namibia. Which is the most driest place in the world where some areas are not recorded rainfall for 400 years? Atacama Desert in Chile. What a day with equal duration of day and night called? Equinox. What are the submerged oceanic volcanoes called as? Sea mounts. What is the total mainland area of India? About 3.3 million square kilometer. What is the total extent of Himalayan range of mountains from west to east? 2400 kilometer. Which country is the largest producer of oil in the world? That is USA. Which country is the world's largest producer of gold and platinum? South Africa. What is the total area of the deserts in the Earth's land surface? About one third. What is the maximum of lava from volcanoes? 1200 degrees Celsius. What is the name of fault line in California on the west of North America at about 1125 km long? That is San Andreas Fault. What is the boundary line between India and Afghanistan called? Durand Line. Which city replaced Moscow in 1970 as the capital of Russia after more than 200 years? St. Petersburg. What science deals with the Earth's form, dimensions, elasticity, mass, gravitation, and allied topics is called geodesy. Coral reefs formed in warm, shallow waters made by tiny animals called polyps. Which is the capital of the world's youngest nation, South Sudan? Juba. Which country has the most international boundaries with the neighboring countries? China. Which is the most spoken language around the world? Mandarin Chinese. Which Indian state has the longest coastline than any other state? That is Gujarat. Which is the most extensive sea in the world, covering an area of 3.45 million square kilometers? South China Sea.